Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I am need to download driver Lexmark in this series area. This here for your type the driver download, and please why I am search the official website for you. I am like download for the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. And this here for the official website you click here. This why this website loading. This here for the printer, you scroll down. This here for the driver and the support, you click here. This here for the title, driver and download, you click here. This one. Okay, this here for the your driver and firmware or software. And if you need to select your operating system, you click here. This here for all operating system. This here operating system for the Linux, for the Windows, for the Mac. I'm sure for the Linux. And this here I'm select click here. This here for version. This here for Linux version and match the Linux version. I am testing for the Fedora. This here for your release update, new release update, and this here for Fedora package. And I am recommendation for you to download for the Fedora the package, and this here for the printer. Okay, I am like here for the operating system for the Mac, and this here for all operating system for the Mac. This here for operating system Mac 12, Mac 11 support. I am testing for Mac 12. Click here for Mac 12, and this here for the Mac 12 driver, and this here for universal print driver Mac uh, for the Mac. And I'm recommendation for you download here. You look at the release update. And this video I need download driver for the Windows 11, like here for the Windows and for the Windows, and this here for the version. You click here. This here for the all version for the Windows, and this is operating system for the Windows 8, Windows 9, Windows 11, and this here for Windows 7, and this here for Windows 9, Windows 9.1, and I'm this here for support your Windows Server. And this video I need to load for the driver for the Windows 11, like here for the version for the Windows 11, and this here for the uh, universal print driver and installation the package. And if you need to load it here, this here for your field name and field size, and this here for the version. If you need to load, you click here start download. Okay, this here for the driver download. If you need install driver folder your printer, return on the power printer. Input cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer and please wait finish driver download. If you finish driver download, you double click here, or you click here the open double click file. This here for your detect USB cable printer. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link download below description of video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my channel. See you by next time.